Hey everyone, welcome to a stream. Very random stream. I usually don't do streams at that time, but today or last night I had an idea. I keep talking about Google Chrome. Sorry, Google Cloud. I use Google Chrome, but whatever. Google Cloud. And I was like, I've never used it. But what if I actually made a video about this? Like, let's review this whole Google Cloud thing. Let's see how it looks from the point of view of an Azure engineer. I've only done Azure. I've done AWS too, but really professionally, I've only done Azure. So I thought, wouldn't it be cool if we had somebody react to a cloud platform as opposed to reacting to just music or whatever. So I'm here. I signed up for Google Chrome, again, Google Cloud last night. And just because I had to set up all the credit card information, all that stuff that I don't want to do on the live stream. But yeah, so I'm going to react to Google Cloud from the point of view of an Azure engineer. And since Boris is here, we have to start now. The show can start now that Boris is here. Let's do this. All right, so you see my screen, and I have signed up, and I'm already logged into. I forgot to do something. Do not disturb. Okay, cool. So here I am in here, and see that's my thing. Let's start with that. I don't know what to do. It says go to console. All right, let's go to console. What does that mean? Okay. All right. Okay, so I guess that's the dashboard. Very googly interface. Actually, this is a little different. I've never really seen like little like round things like that in Google, but very googly, and that's exactly what I was expecting in terms of interface. So good job, Google, I guess, on this one, on like keeping your theme. But the thing is, I don't. All right, so I am identity management, market building, API and services, compute. Hi. Hi downstairs. Okay, so project info. What is a project? Is this like basically resource group or subscription, except like it's a project? How does this work? Yeah, I mean, I've not read any documentation. I don't know anything about this. So I'm just discovering this for the first time. Like, how do I get started? Okay, you know what? Let's start small. Let's do storage. Can I? Okay, compute, Kubernetes, VMware, serverless, cloud run, cloud functions. Ooh, that sounds fun. Can I pin that? Oh, I like the pinning thing. Where does this go? Oh, that's cool. I like that. File store or cloud storage, data transfer. All right, I'm assuming it's cloud storage from what I saw in the past. So let's look at that. Oops. API gateway, networking. I like that. I like the whole clicky clicky start. They're better in one. And so clicky clicky start poking. Yes, I'm gonna start poking. All right, clicky clicky is over. All right, let's do some storage. Let's start with like the most basic thing that everybody can do, and that's storage. All right, how does this work? All right, browser, create a bucket. Okay, you're ready to go. Or is it like creating a storage account? Bucket. All right, my test bucket. Don't include sensitive information. Okay. See, I wish those things were like that's one of my things. Like I hate the discovery of here's what you can use for the name. So yeah. All right, continue. Wait, globally unique. You're telling me that other people thought about naming their thing my test bucket? I doubt it. All right, Caroline carries. Oh, look. Okay, never mind. Caroline carries a bucket. Cool. You happy? Good. All right, labels. Okay, those are tags. All right, continue. Multi-region, dual region, single region. Um, Northern Virginia. Yeah. Is there closer to me? I don't know. We'll say Virginia is closer to me. All right, continue. Standard, nearline, archive. Yeah, see. Yeah, it does look very AWS-ish. Um, the bucket creation part. Yeah, yeah, I agree with that. It's yeah. The whole not having a resource group to me is just weird. I like putting my resources in a thing in a group as opposed to just like hits there. So yeah. All right, let's look at their pricing calculator before we do that. Um, not that I'm sure I won't break the bank by doing this stream, but it's always good to have an idea of the pricing calculator. Resource groups are the best. Did it high? Yeah. Resource group are the absolute best. I think Microsoft on this one, like 100. Chef's kiss. Perfect. I like resource groups. That's interesting. Yeah, I was looking at that earlier. Their pricing calculator. Yep, especially when you have to. Come on, scam likely. Hate scam likely. All right. Yeah, you have to wipe the resource group. I like just being able to just wipe the whole project off with one resource group. That's just perfect. All right, let's look at storage. Why is storage not at the beginning, or did I miss it? Cloud storage, I did miss it. All right, standard storage in Virginia, a single region. Come on, Northern Virginia. It's a bit small. All right, how much is 100 gig? Cool. It's difficult. I have the camera right in front of my screen. $2 per month for 100 gig. Not bad. Not bad. I don't know what it compares to in Azure, but not bad. All right, let's do standard. Right, I did standard for. Cool. 100 gig. Continue. Control access. Uniform, fine grain. I like that. So everybody has the same permissions, or you can do individual objects. I like that ability. I think Microsoft by default has. You can do either one. They're both available by default. So point for Microsoft on this one. How to protect object versioning, object retention policy. Yeah, whatever. I don't need to protect anything. Oh, I do? Wait. What did I do? I didn't notice this, but I think there's something super cool. How do I create a new bucket? I want to do something more. All right, bucket details. Create bucket. Ooh, I like that. Look at that. Now point goes to Google on this one. I love this. This is just perfect. You say, let's say 10 gigs, and now if I don't like. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say I don't like that you can't choose, but so it's South Carolina, and then I want to do archive. and the cost changes. I love that. Perfect. That's amazing. Google, I love that you don't have to go into the pricing calculator to see it. That you can just, when you create your service, you can like configure it and then see how much you're going to use it, um, and then see what your cost would be. That's just, no, that's perfect. Yeah, I know it calculates the price immediately. It's like it gives you the whole total cost here. That's, yep, yep. No, nothing to say here. Like just perfect, perfect. So Google, if you keep going like this, I might have to start using you. So I'd rather you stop now. I really hope for the rest of this stream everything is gonna be horrible, and I will not want to use Google Chrome, Google Cloud every day, every time. Uh, yeah, chat delay. I know, chat delay is weird. Is everything slow? Because it's super slow to appear. I killed everything on my computer to make sure that there was no um, lag. I'm gonna kill more stuff and see if that does it, but there's really nothing that should be using CPU. Okay, the video is fine. Okay, it's just a small delay. All right, cool, perfect. Okay, so let's do this little bucket. Let's test. We'll upload a file. Can I do drag and drop? That's gonna be a yes. Just add data. Can I upload files? Downloads. Let's upload this video. I don't even know what this video is about. Oh, I know what this video is about. Let's upload this video. All right. I like the little progress bar. I think that's in Azure too. Can I go away? That's gonna be. All right. I like that there's a list of the buckets and you can see like some of their configuration. So configuration. This is nice. I like that everything is like available like in one place for the configuration, as opposed to having like different pieces configured under different menus. So good job. I really like companies who care about user experience. That's one thing. I mean, last time I used AWS, that's one thing I didn't like is the user experience. It's just so convoluted. So I don't know. UX wasn't there for me for AWS last time I checked, which was probably a year ago. But okay, are you done uploading? Cloud console URL. That's cool. I like that. GSUtil URL. I don't know what GSUtil is. Oh, what did I just copy here? Oh, is there next up, Oracle Cloud, and you will lose your faith in humanity. You know what? I'm actually thinking of doing the same video for IBM and Oracle and all these other cloud providing I can actually afford them, that they don't are not like, oh, you need an invoice and all that stuff. But I'm definitely gonna go and look at them just because I think it's interesting to look at other providers, especially not the big threes. So yeah. Okay. Okay, it's there too. Whatever. We're good with this. Enables default permissions. All right, this is uploaded. What happens if I click here? Can I see the video in the browser? That would be pretty cool. Next time I will not put the video in front of my screen. I keep having to look around. Okay, files. That file's not here, or is it me? Refresh. Okay, it's here. Video QuickTime. I like that. Public manage key. Download. Can I look at the video? That would be magical. Authenticated URL. What happens if I do this? What is that? What happened here? Oh, it's downloading it. I don't want that. Okay, whatever. It's perfectly fine if you can't watch the video online. All right, cool. So we've done this. Whatever. Storage, basic stuff. What does the monitoring look like? Monitoring. No data, of course. All right, how do I go back to the beginning? Is that there? Oh, that's my thing. Wait, what? That's my analytics project in like YouTube analytics. I didn't know it was in here. I'm trying to analyze data from my videos, but I like to use some machine learning in my data analytics from YouTube, but it's not readily available. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool that it actually creates projects across Google products. So pretty neat, I have to say, that you can create a project in a different product of Google, and then you can go to Google Cloud and do more stuff under this project, and you can just group everything under a project across Google products. Stuff. Great. I'm getting more and more excited about Google Cloud. That's dangerous. We might have to stop the the stream here, but then we'll keep going. Okay, virtual machines. I like that it shows you all of this. That's cool. I don't know what all of this is, but instance groups, health checks, machine, images, VM instances. Let's create a virtual machine. Yeah, Chrome. I keep saying Chrome. I don't think I will ever stop saying Google Chrome. All right, let's see. This is taking forever. This streaming is just like sucking all the bandwidth. Maybe I should get one of those new Macs. I've been told I'm not allowed to get one, but I might actually do it. If you don't tell anyone, it's fine. Come on, Google Chrome. You can render it. M1 Pro. I want either M1 Pro or M1 Pro Max. Write it off. Can I write it off? I'm that. But then I can't. Can I buy it with my personal credit card and write it off? I think I can. I'll have to look more into it, but it's a good idea. It is. It is for work. It is absolutely for work. Software development work, YouTube work. So even though I don't have any income, doesn't mean I'm not working. So okay, so Compute Engine, you have to enable it. Okay, I'm glad that you can't just. I mean, Azure has that too, where you have to enable certain services, but I would never say that, Boris. You do a lot for me. So I appreciate it. That's a good idea. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna look into this. But yeah, enabling API, it's annoying, but it's one of those things like I mentioned it in one of the videos. Like if you have a programmatic attack, like let's say somebody gets a hold of my account and is able to just through API just like create like a huge virtual machine, at least that's not doable. That being said, once I enable it, then it doesn't change anything. So, all right, this is taking forever. So we'll get back to that. I want to look at the functions because I love serverless, and I'm assuming this is what this is. It's their equivalent of Azure functions. So let's look. Do I have to enable that? Enthos. What is Enthos? Is there a security thing? I don't know. Yeah. See, I don't. That's one thing I don't like is this like little where there's nothing. It's just like here's this. All right, let's see. Let's see about functions. All right, HTTP trigger. All right, central. There's no cost here. Why is there no cost? Unauthenticated will do. Whatever, I don't care. Is there more? App Engine, service account. Maximum number of instances. Let's keep it to 2. I don't think we need more than that. Am I missing something? What am I missing? Why can't I click next? Oh, save here. How about that? Yeah. Oh, did my camera go off? I'm sorry about that. I disconnected my camera. Somebody was messaging me on LinkedIn and I was like, that's weird. It's fine. That's not the end of the world. Okay. So, all right. Let's look at this. Hello world. Okay, so it's JavaScript. Can I change? Oh, it's Node. It's not JavaScript. Is it JavaScript? Whatever. Node, Java, Go, .NET Core, Ruby, Python, PHP. All right. There's no PowerShell, so no, we're done. We're done. Sorry, no PowerShell. All right, we're done with the stream. No, I'm kidding. All right, cool. Hello world, send message. All right, not too difficult. Um, okay. Copy requires enable API. I don't know what this is. Entry point. What is an entry point? Oh, it's the entry point function. I see. Entry point encode, the exported function name. Okay. All right. That's fine. Inline editor, zip uploads, cloud storage, cloud source repository. What is that? Do they have? Okay, go to the console. Let's open a new window. Do they have their own version control system? Is that what it is? It would be nice if it took GitHub, because normal people. Okay. G. What is it? G Cloud. Repository. Yeah, I think it's yeah, I think like you said, I think it's the same thing as AWS. They have their own code build, code whatever. Um, yes, of course. But still, everybody uses it, so it's like, what's the problem with paying Microsoft a little bit? All right, enable. I have to enable every single API. That's frustrating. Um, I wish there were some default APIs that they had enabled, obviously by default, like they do in Azure and AWS and all that stuff. It's not like it's gonna cost a ton of money, so because I can create a repository. I'm not gonna do that. Oh wait, I want to see something. Format Docker, Python, npm. So already those are the only thing you can do, or is it just? Yeah, this is. Can I just sync? Because ideally I could just. All right, we're gonna say npm region Montreal. Let's do Montreal. All right, create. What I'm curious is, will like um, AWS code build and all that stuff? They have hooks. You can do web hooks into GitHub and things like that, so they can see when there's a change, and then they'll pull the change in and do the build thing. Will this do something similar? Confection, produce, labels. All right, I guess not. All right, so let's just do in inline editor. Index. I do like those portal things. They're just so much easier. Enable API. Do I need to refresh? Let's deploy, whatever. Query message. That's for containers. Okay. Well, all right. Repositories. Artifact registry. Okay. Source repositories, maybe that. Ah. Okay. Okay. Sure. Ah. See? Good job, Boris. Second thing you've done for me today. So, all right, I'm not gonna do it, but I like that you can. Okay, perfect. I love this. All right, that makes sense. Google is not stupid. Obviously, Google is not stupid. Google, if you're watching this and you're trying to hire me, I've never said you're stupid. All right, cool. Node.js function. Let's try this. We did learn something. That's the goal of this stream, to learn something. and especially me learning in front of you and just trying to figure this thing out. I mean, obviously, I won't be doing the whole Google Cloud. That's ridiculous, but we're learning something. Okay, how does this work? Why is it function failed to deploy? I didn't do anything. Like, there's nothing special about this function. I did not even edit the code. Why is this not working? Why is this? See? Not cool. It should just work. It's basic. What's enable API? Didn't I just do that? Is it still not like enabled? All right, do your thing. Let's look at that Cloud CLI. Yes. My fear with this is that it's just going to be a shell, and I don't know what. Continue. All right, lesson learned for next time. Don't put the camera in front of the screen. The problem is I just moved into this space, and it's brand new, and there's a mess. Let's see if I can do it without showing any of the mess. No, the mess is showing. That's gonna be the okay. It's shell. All right, help. Let's do some help. Okay. Yeah, it's bash. So yeah, not fun. That's all you have to say. Gcloud help. All right, Gcloud help. Okay. Ooh, Gcloud cheat sheet. I thought I heard a puppy. Did they say put this one? Yeah, me too. But yeah, I'm scared of doing, especially since it's the new thing to me. Like, it's one of those things that where you know it's just gonna be horrible because it's a command line. So I'm gonna skip the command line for now. It's yeah, it's a bash command line, and brush up on your Unix skills or Linux or whatever you want to call it. Same thing. And yeah, Boris, sorry, your favorite puppy is not here today. She broke her leg like an idiot, so she's at the hospital. Yeah, so function no. See, one thing I don't like is how long it takes to deploy. It should be much faster for something like this. I know. You're telling me I'm the one who has to pay for it. She decided to jump off the stairs. She did not understand that how gravity works. Let me see. I may have a picture. Let me see if I can get pictures of here without showing all my pictures to everyone. What are the odds that this is gonna work the way I want it to? Yay! This is her this morning with her little cast. Look at her. Poor little puppy. They put a little frog on there. Yeah. All right, cool. Why is this so long? It's not. All right, I'm turned off by this. I'm not happy with this. This is too long. Hopefully it's just something like, oh, you're a new customer. We're not going to dedicate too much compute resources to you to build your code, um, type of thing. But yeah, all right, cool. What next? What should I use? Cloud scheduler. Ooh. Oh, all right. I gotta end the stream. Hello. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Uh, the hospital just called. It messed up with my camera. I'm so sorry, guys. The puppy is good. It's important to mention that the puppy is good. She's doing good. She doesn't need surgery. So, yeah. So, this whole Google Cloud thing, we're going to redo it because now I have to go to the hospital to pick up the dog. I was thinking it was going to be an hour later, but it's not. So, I'm going to go pick up the puppy and she'll be good, hopefully, in my next video. So, sorry about that. I'm so sorry, guys. I'll do better next time. Um, Unexpected things happen. So I'll end the stream. Bye.